Welcome back, friends. Today I have for you some fun crafts you can do with your kids using Dollar Tree's tumbling tower blocks. You can get these year-round at Dollar Tree and they come 72 in a box, and I love putting them in a box because it's easy to contain and grab from. For this first project, I'm also going to be using some of these cotton balls. Of course, you can find these anywhere, but Dollar Tree has them too, and these pipe cleaners in different colors. We're going to use scissors as well as a hot glue, but of course you can use any glue that works for you, although for this one, I think hot glue works the best. I'm going to start with 6 of the blocks and I'm going to join 3 of them together, making 2 blocks of 3. This is going to be the base of what will be a really fun rainbow. So I'm just going to hot glue them together and then we're going to cover each block with the cotton balls. Now, of course, you can just place cotton balls if you want right on top the way they are. I decided to just open up about 3 of them. I'm going to start by covering the entire edge and then covering the top. Later on, we're going to add more cotton balls, but this is just to give us a nice base. If you do not have cotton balls, you can also use pillow stuffing, which I contemplating using, but I think using the cotton balls was a lot easier. But again, really easy with some pillow stuffing as well. So of course, I'm going to do the second block as well. All right, now we are going to take the pipe cleaners and we're just going to take 5 colors. You can choose any colors you want and however many you want. I'm going to take the first one and I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue at the bottom and then placing it on one of the base and then just crossing it over onto the next base just like a rainbow. And the first few are going to just kind of fall on you. That's okay. They're going to hold each other up once you just attach all of them. Then I'm going to add the green one right behind it and again adding a little dab of glue at each end. And then the yellow, and I'm going to do the same thing for all of them. I did decide to add a little bit of hot glue in between each just to hold each other together for extra stability. Just a little bit goes a long way. And again, I did that with the other 2 as well. These are the really extra fluffy pipe cleaners, but if you have the regular style ones, those will work too. Maybe just add a couple extra colors. That's fine. I'm going to add the last one here. And again, just adding a little dab of hot glue right there in the center to hold each other together. Now we're going to take more of the cotton balls. This time we're going to leave them nice and round the way they come. And I'm going to start hot glue them all around the base. This is going to create more stability and also just really make it look like a really cute cloud. And I'm just going to add the last couple here. Oh my word, how adorable is this? This will be such a fun craft to do with any ages, really. I love that it has all the colors, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to take another one of the tumbling tower blocks. You can also use the light color one. I'm going to use the darker one, but it's up to you. I'm going to use some poster board. Any size is fine depending on how big you want it to be. I'm going to use my scissors as well as some markers in different colors. You can also use crayons or coloring pencils if you have that for your little ones. I'm going to use a golden marker as well. This is optional. You do not have to use it. And a pipe cleaner. I picked this burgundy color. It does not matter. I'm going to use my hot glue as well as a pencil. All right, I'm going to cut off a piece of the poster board and I'm just going to place my tumbling tower black right there. And I'm just going to make a line at the top, at the bottom. This is going to give me the exact size of the block so that then I can create one side of what will be a butterfly wing. I am then going to take my ruler and I'm just going to fold it directly in half because I want to be able to cut both wings at the same time so that they're both the same size. I am now going to take my markers and I'm just going to start adding a design. It does not matter, my friends, okay? This is when you can have fun. Your kids can have fun. You can make any wiggly lines, any shapes. It does not matter. I wanted to keep both sides nice and even and kind of mirroring each other. So I'm just going to let you watch as I just continue to add whatever design I chose just filling all of the wings up with different colors. Now that I'm all done filling in the wings, I'm just going to just highlight with the golden marker in between each colors. Again, you don't have to do this because you can't even tell in the camera, but you can in real life, in person, you can see it. Once everything's nice and finished, I'm going to add glue in the center and then place my tumbling tower black right there. I'm going to cut about 3 inches, 2 3-inch pieces of the Chanel stem, and I'm just going to curve or make just like a little curl at each end. And then we're going to hot glue it to the back, and this will be the antennas. Now, I wasn't going to add googly eyes. That's why I didn't mention it in the beginning, but I just felt like it needed it. So I'm just going to add a couple of them here in the front, and that's it. How adorable is this? This is another craft that your kids will love to do with you. They can add whatever design they want on the wings, but what do you think? Let me know down in the comments. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, we are going to start with 3 tumbling tower blocks, and I'm going to keep them in the light colors because they match these 2 popsicle sticks. These are the little larger ones, but you can use the regular size ones as well. We're going to use googly eyes, as well as this beautiful purple paint from Dollar Tree, a paintbrush, and we're also going to be using the golden marker, but again, you don't have to use this. You can use any color marker you want. And we're also going to use the leftover piece of Chanel stem from the previous project, and of course the hot glue. All right, so we are going to just start attaching the 3 blocks together long ways, and then we are going to paint the blocks as well as the popsicle sticks in the purple color. Again, choose whatever color you want. It does not have to be purple, and I'm just going to do 1 coat and let it fully dry. While that is drying, I am going to get things ready. Just going to grab a couple of the googly eyes and the leftover Chanel stem. We're going to do the same thing we did earlier, except we're just going to fold it in a V shape, and then we're going to curl those ends going outwards. And then once dry, we are going to crisscross the popsicle sticks on top of the tumbling tower blocks. This is just going to make it look like a little dragonfly. I am going to use the golden marker to add some details. Again, this is optional, or you can do it in any other color you want. You can also add stickers if you have that. It's up to you. I'm just going to add dots on the wings, and I'm just going to make some little curved lines on the body, on the bottom, and a little bit on top, leaving space for the eyes. Speaking of eyes, we're just going to hot glue those to the top with a little bit of hot glue, and then we're just going to attach the antennas to the back of it with a little hot glue. And that's it. How adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is so cute. You can make little baby ones too with just 1 block. The possibilities are endless, but what do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.